Hey everyone, if Telegram is lagging or running slow on your Android device, don't worry, I'll show you how to fix it quickly. First, check your internet connection. A weak or unstable network can cause Telegram to lag. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data or turn on airplane mode for a few seconds, then turn it off and try it again. Next, start the Telegram app and your phone. Close the app completely, restart your device, and check if Telegram runs smoother. Make sure your Telegram app is updated. Go to the Google Play Store, search for Telegram, and install any available updates. An outdated version might cause performance issues. Now, clear Telegram's cache. Go to Settings, Apps, App Management, then find Telegram from the list. Tap on Storage, Clear Cache. This helps remove temporary files that could be slowing down the app. If the issue continues, try disabling background apps. Too many apps running in the background can slow down Telegram. Close unnecessary apps and check if performance improves. If Telegram is still lagging, switch to Telegram X, an alternative version of Telegram designed for a better speed and performance. You can find it in the Play Store. Finally, if none of these solutions work, Telegram servers might be experiencing issues. Visit a site like Down Detector to check if others are reporting slow performance. If it's a server-side issue, you may have to wait for Telegram to fix it. And that's it. If this helped, don't forget to like and follow for more Telegram fixes. See you in the next one.